Hi guys, my name is Ivo and I'm from mytestedasp.net. In this video we're going to continue porting the .NET Framework app to the newest ASP.NET Core technology. Before we begin, I would like to remind you that if you're new around this in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notifications on. Okay, so let's start. First things first, we reached the point where we need to transfer the data settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a folder, seeds or seeders. I'm going to add a new interface code, I seeder. I'm going to add it in the contracts. I seeder. So what this seeder will do is going to have a method seed, something like that. Then in the seed method, not sure how to name this, but okay, let's leave it seed. I'm going to add settings seeder. Settings seeder, which will have iSeed interface. We're going to inject the application DB context, and we're going to make it read only. Here we're going to copy the data which is needed. And we're going to call save changes like this. We need to seed administrator seeder. One more thing, if this data settings any, return. If we have data in the database in the settings table, there is no need to add these settings here. Administration seeder will be about adding an administrator user. Database seeder, we're going to need application DB context data, and we're going to say if this data users, but there's a problem here because let me just use the normal. It will be easier for us. If we have any row, return. Then what we need to do, we need to add the row. I have code about that. I believe it's here. Source, Simpos, blog. Here it is. I'm just going to copy this code and we are going to port it. We don't need to have any articles. We're not going to use async await. We're not going to So we injected the official user manager and role manager, and we are going to reuse them. I need to the administrator row is in the web constants, and let's move the class here first. Let's change the interface and let's make it data constants like this. Okay, good enough. So administrator role name, create a role, create an application user. Admin at blog.com seems fine. Then fortunately this needs to be an async await method. So I'm going to wrap it like this. I think I'm going to put everything inside it. And I'm just going to say get awaiter.get result like this. So this should seed a default user, which will have some password. Let's make it a little bit more secure. This is a normal user. We don't need normal users. Let's make it like that. So we created a row, added to the database by using the row manager, added the application user with its data, and created an admin user with this password added. We added to a row. Okay, good, but nobody is still using this either. So what we need to do now is we need to register them in our application. But first I would like to mention my mentorship program on Patreon. It's available on patreon.com/IvailKenov. There's a description down below. In the description, there's a link down below. And what I'm offering here is additional educational content which is exclusive to the membership program. For each different level, you receive different kind of perks. For example, extra video lessons recorded exclusively for the community there, a private Facebook group in which we can talk about any kind of software development problems. You can also vote for future topics. As a matter of fact, this current video series was voted by the community. Live workshops, coaching lessons, code reviews, and more. So make sure you check this membership program out. Additionally, I would like to thank everybody who already joined. Thank you guys, you truly rock. A lot of people decided to support my educational content and I'm extremely thankful. You guys truly rock. Okay, so let's return, and what we need to do is we need to register our seeders. Transient, I seeder. Settings seeder, and the other one is administrator seeder. Good. Then I'm going to add to the infrastructure a folder called extensions, and I'm going to add a new class, application builder extensions. I'll make it static because extension methods need to be static. Application builder initialize. First, I'm going to say services equals app.application services, create scope dot service provider. Oh, okay. Then I'm going to say var data equals services get service. Application builder. No, I need application db context data.database.migrate to make sure that the database is migrated to the latest version. And then I'm going to say var seeders equal services get services. I'm going to specify that I need all services of type database seeder. For each database seeder, I'm going to just say seeder.seed like this. Good. Everything is great for now. I'm going to say here app.initialize like this. Good. Before we run the app, I would like to show you where you can find the source code. It's available at my GitHub profile, which is Ivail Kenov. You may follow me if you like. Hit repositories, write down TV here, and this is the repository in which I am publishing all the demo code for the current, for all the videos I'm publishing on YouTube. So you can download the code, you can follow it, you can do whatever you like, you can play with it. This I will be extremely thankful if you give me a star. Also, you may decide to watch the repository because the repository links every single lesson here, so you can this way you can learn about new lessons in the future. Good. I would like to take a moment to thank my sponsors, which are Endeavor. Endeavor is constantly searching for new software developers, so if you're currently looking for a job or if you decide to change projects or any kind of a reason to switch your job, make sure you check Endeavor out. Additionally, these are my gold sponsors: Tsuke, Softuni, Smart IT, Noble Hire, and 1-Bit Software. Thank you guys, you truly motivate me to continue doing my work and provide free educational channel. Okay, so let's continue. Let's run the app and see what else is missing. Unable to resolve service user manager. How come? We have the default identity here, which should register the user manager. Oh, it shouldn't be identity user, it should be application user. This is wrong. Identity role. Well, this means that we need to recreate the tables. Or not. I'm not sure whether it will work. Let's run it and see. Yeah, there's a problem in the database, so let's remove all our migrations because we still don't use this app in production. Let's delete the database and recreate the migrations, because that was a big mistake here, and apparently the database is not working. Block system core. Let's delete that, close, and let's try to add a new migration. Add migration, initial tables, the data project. Good. Let's run the app. It should migrate our database automatically because we added the code to migrate the database in the extensions application builder migrate. There's an error here. Let's see what's wrong. Apparently we cannot create the user for some reason. There is the administrator role. So Let's see what's not working. Okay, the row is added. Then I add the user, so the user is also added. Oh no, it's not. Hmm. Ooh, yeah. Okay, the problem is a stupid problem, but let's fix it. We need to set a valid password. The password for the admin is not valid, so what I need to do is I need to configure the identity options like this, for example. Are there any original settings? Let's check the original project to see whether identity config. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, good. But we have some other problem here. No service for user manager identity user. Huh, funny. That may be in the yeah, that's in the views. We should port our login partial too, actually, because it's part of the well, there's a lot of things to do here, so let's leave the default for now. And we are going to port it in the next video. Let's make sure that the app is actually running. And let's it's not very beautiful. Register and login are ugly. The sidebar is missing. The My Videos is also broken, but at least the app is running. So we need to port the logo. We need to fix some of these, but the app is running, which is quite an improvement. For the last 3 videos it wasn't running. Good. Okay guys, let's leave it like this for now. We've made the database seeding, and in the next videos we're going to fix the layout page, the sidebar, and make the layout look like the original. Good. Before I finish, I would like to show you my tools, which are tools for testing ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET Web API projects. These tools provide a very easy to use fluent testing interface, and they save you quite a lot of time during the testing phase of web applications. So make sure you check them out if you decide to run unit or integration tests on your ASP.NET Core project. Good. Thank you guys for now, and I'm going to see you in my next video.